Welcome to Compare to Win. The best word recognition is probably one of the most crucial skills we can develop, acting as the foundational pillar upon which all other literacy abilities are built, and mastering it unlocks a world of comprehension, fluency, and a lifelong love for reading, making it an indispensable tool for academic success and personal growth. Number 5. Gamenote Classroom Magnetic Alphabet Letters Kit. Introducing the Gamenote Classroom Magnetic Alphabet Letters Kit, designed to make learning fun and engaging for preschoolers and toddlers. It's perfect for developing early literacy skills. This comprehensive set features 234 letters in 8 bright colors, encouraging visual learning. The kit includes lowercase and uppercase letters, a double-sided magnetic board, pens, and an eraser for interactive lessons. Crafted with soft-touch EVA foam, each letter is approximately 1.2 inches and features a full-cover magnet. They are safe, washable, and easy for children to grip and manipulate. The included magnetic board is not only for letters but also for drawing and writing, offering a versatile learning experience. It's perfect for teaching phonics and spelling CVC or CCVC words. Everything comes neatly organized in a sturdy storage box, making it easy to keep track of all the pieces. It's ideal for use at home, in the classroom, or on the go. Recommended for children aged 3 and up, this kit is a valuable teaching tool for parents, teachers, and homeschoolers. It supports learning in various settings, from preschool to elementary school. What we like? This set offers a vast collection of letters, perfect for spelling needs. It includes a versatile magnetic board for writing and displaying letters. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit for classroom or group settings, this is an excellent choice due to its quantity and dual-function board. What people say. The vibrant colors and sturdy design of the magnetic letters immediately caught his attention. He loves that the set comes with both upper and lower case letters, which has been fantastic for our phonics activities. The magnetic feature is also a big win. The letters stick well to the board, which makes it easy for him to rearrange them without any frustration. The magnets aren't too strong, so it is easy to move them around and take them off. Number 4. SpringFlower See and Spell Matching Letter Toy. Introducing the SpringFlower See and Spell Matching Letter Toy, a fun and educational game for children aged 3 to 6. It's designed to make learning engaging and enjoyable. This set includes durable flashcards with CVC words and sturdy wooden alphabet blocks. It also comes with a convenient storage bag to keep everything tidy. It helps develop essential skills like sight reading, spelling, fine motor control, and color recognition. It's a fantastic tool for early learning and development. This toy encourages children to learn common words, building their confidence and pride as they master new skills through play. Spend meaningful time with your child, assembling words and playing together. It's a wonderful way to bond while supporting their brain development. Ideal for birthdays or as a classroom tool, this puzzle set offers hours of screen-free fun and learning for kids aged 3 to 6. What we like? This toy combines sturdy wooden blocks with flashcards for a multifaceted learning experience. It's designed to build vocabulary and fine motor skills simultaneously. If you want a toy that encourages hands-on manipulation and helps children master common words, this is a great option for fostering accomplishment. What people say. Designed to help young learners develop their reading, spelling, and cognitive skills, this toy offers both engagement and educational value in one neat package. The thickness ensures that the letters are easy for kids to handle without worrying about bending or breaking them easily. Great way to enhance fine motor development as well as develop spelling and letter knowledge. Number 3. JoyCat Mystery Alphabet Box for Kids. Unbox a world of learning with this exciting alphabet box. Your child can reach inside to discover fun miniatures representing each letter of the alphabet. This set includes a play box, 26 miniature objects, and a double-sided game board. It's designed for interactive play, helping children match objects to their corresponding letters. Each object is made of safe, sturdy plastic, perfectly sized for toddlers to grasp. It helps them learn about animals, fruits, and common words, building early vocabulary. This toy is fantastic for developing early spelling skills, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor abilities. It offers a hands-on way to master the alphabet and letter sounds. Adapt the activities to suit your child's skill level. The engaging shapes of the objects will capture their attention and encourage participation. Looking for a fun and educational gift? This alphabet set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or even travel, making learning enjoyable anywhere. What we like. This unique set introduces letters through fun miniatures of objects, making learning engaging. It helps children associate letters with real-world items and develop early vocabulary. If you're seeking a playful and sensory way to teach alphabet sounds and early spelling, this mystery box is ideal for sparking curiosity. What people say. These are great alphabet manipulatives and work perfectly with the included study board for hands-on letter practice, letter recognition, and alphabet review. We use it for whole group lessons, small groups, one-on-one instruction, and even as an independent center activity. It keeps students engaged while reinforcing letter names and sounds in a fun, interactive way. The quality is very good for classroom use. Everything feels sturdy and has held up well so far with frequent use. The pieces are durable and a great size for little hands to manipulate easily without being too small. Number 2. Merka Toddler Flashcards, Interactive Alphabet Learning. Embark on an engaging journey through the alphabet with these interactive learning cards. They are designed to captivate young minds with vibrant visuals and fun activities. This set includes 64 double-sided cards covering letters, numbers, and shapes. They are perfect for fostering essential foundational skills in young children. Sized perfectly for small hands, these cards encourage independent exploration and learning. Their compact design helps develop motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Made from sturdy, laminated materials, these cards are built to last. They are perfect for both home learning and on-the-go adventures. Featuring both uppercase and lowercase letters, these cards nurture early reading abilities. They help build a solid vocabulary foundation for toddlers. What we like. These flashcards are perfectly sized for little hands and designed for interactive learning. They cover essential early concepts like letters, numbers, and shapes. If you need a durable, travel-friendly resource to build foundational skills and early reading abilities for toddlers, these cards are a practical choice. What people say. The cards are less visually noisy than competitors and were perfect for our use. The cards are good quality, and I like building the association between the upper and lower case for each letter. Quality is really good. I have been practicing with my 3-year-old and these cards made learning easy. Good picture quality and thickness of cards. The thickness of the cards are very nice and the picture quality is great. He's only 21 months old and already knows all of the animals associated with the alphabet. Number 1. Learn to read sight word storybook. Introducing a revolutionary storybook designed to make learning to read an engaging adventure. It's perfect for young learners taking their first steps into literacy. Dive into a collection of 25 simple, captivating stories crafted specifically for beginner readers. Each story is designed to build confidence and fluency. Beyond the stories, discover a variety of fun and interactive activities. These exercises reinforce learning and make practice enjoyable. This resource focuses on essential sight words, the most frequently used words in children's literature. Mastering these is key to early reading success. Whether your child is just starting or needs a little extra practice, this book provides the perfect foundation. Watch their reading skills blossom. Embark on a delightful journey to literacy with this comprehensive storybook. It's more than just a book, it's a stepping stone to a lifetime of reading. What we like. This resource uses simple stories to teach sight words, making reading less intimidating. It's designed for beginner readers with accompanying activities to reinforce learning. If you are looking for a way to transition children from recognizing letters to reading actual words in a fun, narrative format, this storybook is highly recommended. What people say. It is a fun way to learn, and breaks down each word in a repetitive way while keeping it interactive. Also a great way to practice letters and thinking activities. The stories are simple, fun, and help kids practice sight words in an easy way. My child enjoys reading it every day. Very easy book with so many stories that focus on sight words. After every story there is a little game quiz that helps to keep it entertained for a 4 years old. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.